Whether you are looking for kitchen appliances, laundry, living room furniture, bedroom furniture, mattresses, we offer a wide selection of quality furniture with many customizable options for the look that expresses your individuality. Whether your style is laid back, rustic farmhouse, urban chic, modern boho, or something in between, we can help you find furniture that suits your unique tastes. Affordable assembly and delivery service available in Wainwright and surrounding areas. Armstrong's Home Furnishings. Our family, serving yours.